Today we are going to learn subject that is called as software testing and quality assurance, where we are going to learn V models. First, what do you mean by V models? V models consist of verifications and validations mode. It is again called as a SDLC models, where it phases execute in V shape. V model consists of two parts. First is called as a verifications and the second is called as a validations models. Why we need the V models? Before of that, in SDLC models, we have waterfall models. Waterfall models has some disadvantage, just like we cannot go reverse in a waterfall model. That's why it is called as a waterfall model. If we construct any models and if we want to reconstruct it due to some changes, so we cannot reverse it. So that's why that model is called as a waterfall model. So these are the disadvantage of waterfall model. To overcome these disadvantage, we have next model is called as a V model. V model consists of verifications and validations type. In these models, we can process the software in parallel. That's why it is called as a V model. The major plus point of V model is it overcomes a drawback of waterfall model, which cannot go back to previous stage for corrections, as we already told. It has also allowed test the software at each stage in reverse manner. But in waterfall model, we cannot test the model in reverse manner. That is the advantage using the V model. In V model, we can process the model in parallel. What is the verifications and validations? Verification is the process of checking whether the software meet the specifications or not. When we are going to design any models, we need different types of specifications according to requirement phase or any phase. So that specifications has to be met by that particular model, that is called as a verifications. That's why it is called as it is a process of checking whether the software meet the specifications or not. Validations, process of checking whether the specification meet the customer requirement or not. Verifications, it check the software meets specification or not. Validations, it perform at a stage of customer. That means that any product is working according to requirement of customer or not. That's why it is called as a validations model. Validations perform on the test cases designed in that particular phase. That's why it is called as a V model. V model allows you to verify and validate in parallel. Already we have see. Next, what indicate the V models? V model consists of two phase or two part. First is called as a verification model and second is called as a validations model. It consists of requirement gathering, system analysis, software design, module design, coding, unit testings, integration testing, system testings, acceptance testing. So these are the different phases of V model. Here you can see requirement gathering phase and acceptance testing phase. First, at initial stage, we have to identify the requirement to design any particular software. What are the different types of requirement? And according to that requirement, if we gather that requirement, we have to perform or we have to identify some test cases, or we have to design different types of test cases on the basis of requirement phases. So here requirement gathering process is completed. After that, we are going to parallelly perform the acceptance testings. That is called as we are going to design the different types of test cases for design. Next, we have system design. What indicate the system design? System design indicate what are the system analysis phases or requirement different types of analysis phases. काय
जेव्हा फॅनची गरज आहे तेव्हा फॅन नाही लावत, नाही तेव्हा मारले ते लावून भरभर
भरभर कसं लावते भरभर. आज कसं काय आलं
काय करू
काय करू म्हणजे
परमिशन नाही आहे भाई, मोठी वाट लागली.
झाकण पण बदलून असेल, गुलाबी झाकण
केस झाकण
अशीच मिळाली होती का बिस्लरी? सर्विस सर ते व्हाईट वाली जे तुम्ही बेडशीट आणली होती ते आपण कोणाला दिली का कुठे ठेवलं ते लक्षात नाही, कारण इकडे पकड पकडला मला जुन्यावाली दिली तेव्हा मला आठवलं कोणाला दिली असं आठवत
कॉन्फरन्स साठी चालली काय
तेव्हाच आणली. आता जेव्हा आळी सरोवर नव्हत्या ना अडगी जोत आपल्या तिथे तेव्हा टाकली होती ना आपण संध्याकाळी. तुम्ही होते सर आपलं सेमिनार नव्हतं लग्नात होते सर्व्हिस नव्हते तेव्हा
मी नव्हतो आवाज सर डिपार्टमेंटला एवढं कन्फर्म.
पण ते आणली काढून आणली की